Hello, this is Brian McLennan with MarineMax and Stuart. Today I have the opportunity to show you a 2022 Boston Whaler 13 Sport. This is a fresh trade-in. The prior owner of this boat originally purchased the boat through us, serviced it through us, and then traded it back in on a larger Boston Whaler. As part of the recon, we did just buff, wax, and detail the entire boat, plus service the engine, so she's going to be turnkey and ready for her new owner. You can see the boat's in really nice condition. We have the white rub rail, white hull sides with the red graphics. We have the Mercury 40 horse on the back, again, just serviced. You can see the prop looks great. The inside of the boat is in nice condition. We do have the upgraded bucket seats here at the helm with the upgraded dash inlay. We have the windshield, bow cushion, igloo cooler, and the bow rail. Overall, well appointed for a 13 Super Sport. Trailer is included. Very low hours on the engine. Bimini canvas is in great condition. So this boat will be delivered to the next owner full of fuel with life jackets, dock lines, Coast Guard equipment, 100% turnkey for the water. We'd love to tell you a little bit more about this boat. Please feel free to give us a call or come see us at MarineMax Stuart, 772-287-4495. Thank you for watching.